Hello from General Tools and Instruments. I'm here to show you the new deluxe doweling jig, model 851 from General Tools and Instruments. In this example, we'll show how to join boards end to end or edge to edge. First, when setting your stop collar, you'll need to add the thickness of the jig itself and the thickness of the guide bushing to your stop collar setting. So that adds up to be 1 inch. You would add 1 inch to the depth of the stop collar. In this case, the depth of the dowel is going to be 3/4 of an inch. So you add 1 inch. What we want to end up with is a depth of 1 3/4 inch. Tighten the stop collar, and we're ready to drill our boards. Next, we'll align the work pieces as they'll be when they're finished. We'll make marks for, in this case, we'll put 3 dowels in, spaced about 2 to 3 inches apart or evenly spaced across the board. Use a pencil to make marks at least 2 inches in, right across both boards. Marks need to be at least 2 inches in depth so you can align them with the V-notches on the jig. Next, for the dowel we're using, we want to choose the right size guide bushing. So this is a 5/16 inch dowel, appropriate for the 3/4 inch thick wood. And with the 3/4 inch wood, we'll be using the center hole and the long face in this case. Hand tighten the guide bushing into the jig. Mount the jig on the marks that we've made and align the V-notch and the hole with the hole we'll be boring for our first dowel. Tighten the thumb screw to attach the jig to the board, and you can see that the hole lines up with the center of the wood. Now secure your workpiece to your workbench or in a vise. And with the jig firmly attached, start your drill above the wood and bore right into the wood until it reaches the stop collar. Hole is completed. Next step, you simply loosen the jig, move it to the next hole, line up the V-joint on our mark, tighten the thumb screw, and repeat. And continue until you've bored the dowel holes for all of your marks. That's all there is to it. We've got 3 holes for each of our dowels. It's as easy as that.